Hey guys, welcome to this week in my life vlog. Today is Monday and I just got off of work. My hair is all crazy, so don't mind that too much. I'm heading home and I'm receiving new arrivals for my store, which I'm super excited about. I can't wait to see what they sent me. But yeah, I just wanted to start this vlog and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So my afternoon today will be mostly me posting on my business account Instagram because I just received my new arrivals, surrounded by shoes all throughout, and I'm about to, well, I've been checking all of the sizes and everything that came in. So I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorite things that came in. So first we have these little flats by Sam Edelman, which is one of my favorite shoe brands, but it's in a size 6 and I'm bigfoot. I also have this cute little ones and then these little ballerinas, which I've been wanting something like this for the longest time. I also have these gold and black ones that are kind of giving Chanel, these other gold ones, blue sneakers by Timberland. But yeah, I'm excited to start posting. So I'm about to pack for my 24-hour shift that I have tomorrow, and this is usually what I'll bring with me. I know it's huge, but it's what will fit everything that I need to bring with. This is my everyday backpack. I will take this as an opportunity to dump a lot of the things that I usually bring with me just so that I have less weight on my backpack. I have my fanny pack, which has my stethoscope as well as my blood pressure cuff, my makeup bag, which you guys saw me thrift a couple of weeks ago. Here I also put my toothpaste, toothbrush, my face wash, but I will obviously put that in tomorrow morning. The rest of the things that I have here, I'll just keep in here, which is just a notebook, my planner, some pens. I am done for the afternoon. I just finished publishing the photos on my site, so I'm just replying to customers and such. But right now I'm gonna go study. That's what I'll do from 5 p.m. till nighttime pretty much. Today's gonna be a little bit different because I do need to attend to my business. My 24-hour shift that I'm taking later today, but I have the day off because I need to go with my mom to a doctor's appointment. We're gonna do that, and I'm also gonna buy some bags because I ran out yesterday for my business. Did these shoes from my own store. Look how pretty they are, these red ballerinas by Bionic. My hair turned out super puffy, so I will have to redo it a little bit later tonight, but this is how it turned out. At least it's dried and it looks better than it looked before. Hello. So I'm all ready. I'm wearing my blue scrubs along with this black long sleeve. I have on my New Balance sneakers, which is some thrift. I am not bringing any snacks or dinner. I think I'm gonna order in. I'm here, still haven't started my shift because the shift that was before us hasn't finished. I'm gonna take a little coffee break. I'm gonna go to the cafeteria, get myself a little snack. I'm gonna bring you guys with me, but I actually feel very energized, which is good because last time I was super tired, but last night I slept so good. So I got myself these dry nuts, and I also got sparkling iced caffeine because they only had cappuccino with regular milk, and you guys know that I am currently dairy free. This is the garden area that I talked about in a video. This is where I come and just refresh. A little poke bowl. I have a shrimp bowl. It has mango, veggies like carrots. It has avocado, chia seeds, and it looks delicious. It is 1 a.m. now, and I'm not sleepy at all, which is crazy. I usually am passed out passed out by now. To set my alarm for 4:30. I'm about to do my skincare routine, brush my teeth. This is my current face wash, which I don't love. I'm waiting for it to run out before I get a new one. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna wake up pretty early tomorrow to solve some other things that we need to do. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, probably once I'm already out. But it's been such a nice shift. Like, everything's been under control, knock on wood. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. And I'm off again. I'm wearing this dress because I didn't have time to pick out an outfit. On my iced caramel macchiato with soy milk, and this is delicious. Look how cute this pattern is with all these lemons, and also this one with these flowers. Always looking at the baby clothes. That is so freaking cute. And one for a little girl in pink. They have a brown version as well with a little teddy bear. I want it so bad, but I don't know if we would use it enough. My favorite candy in the whole entire world, but I don't trust myself with one of these bags. Getting more hangers. So I'm done with work for today. I'm heading to the cafeteria for lunch because I have something here at 2:30 and so I'm staying later. I decided to just get a few snacks. I got mixed nuts as well as peanuts with raisins. Love just laying here. Sometimes I'll nap in one of these little benches. We have made it to the end of this video. I didn't realize it was so short. I cut a few things here and there because I felt like it was a little repetitive. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it and if you want to see more vlogs like this. I did ask on my community post whether you wanted to see a closet clean out and a thrift with me into this video, but I decided to just do two separate videos because this one was already all over the place in and of itself and I didn't want to add more things to it. But again, let me know if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. And I will see you very soon for my next video. Bye guys.